So in this video, I'm going to go through the tests for organic functional groups. Start with alkene over here. To identify alkene, we're going to add bromine water. If we add bromine, bromine's orange, it reacts with the alkene to form a dihaloalkane, and it goes from orange to colourless. For a haloalkane, we're going to add silver nitrate and some ethanol. The ethanol substitute of the halide ion. If we do it at 50 degrees Celsius, that'll then combine with the silver to form a precipitate. Now, if that precipitate is white, we have chlorine. If it's cream, we have bromine. And if it's yellow, we have iodine. Now for the carbonyl, this is our aldehydes or ketones. We're going to add 2,4-DMPH, and if we have an aldehyde or a ketone, then we're going to form an orange precipitate. If we've done that and identified that we've got that orange precipitate, we can then do the aldehyde test, where we add Tollen's reagent, and if we have an aldehyde, we'll get a silver mirror forming. If we don't get that, then we know we've got a ketone. So carbonyl, this 2,4-DMPH and the Tollen's reagent go hand in hand. One to identify if we've got an aldehyde or ketone, and then to identify which one of aldehyde or ketone we have. And the aldehyde will go silver mirror. For our alcohol, and this only works for primary or secondary alcohols, we're going to heat with acidified dichromate. Now this oxidizes it, and it will go from orange to dark green. Now it only works for primary and secondary because tertiaries don't oxidize, but our primary or secondary alcohols will oxidize. And then finally, carboxylic acids and phenol. For the carboxylic acid, we're going to add sodium carbonate, and we'll get effervescence. I can't spell effervescence. There we go. Or bubbling or fizzing if it's a carboxylic acid. Phenols don't, so they're acidic. So if the pH is acidic but doesn't react with sodium carbonate, it's probably a phenol. However, we can do a test just to work out if it's phenol. And for phenol, we're going to add Br2. So back round to the beginning again, and we get the colour change, orange to colourless, and a white precipitate. And they are our organic tests.